Happy Easter. Today I want to talk to you about the hope of Easter. Someone has said you can go about 40 days without food, about 3 days without water, and about 3 minutes without air, but only about 3 seconds without hope. The reason being is that we desperately need hope. We live for hope. And that's why I love Easter. Easter, more than any other day of the year, breathes hope into a world that is depleted of encouragement and energy and enthusiasm. And today, my prayer for you is that you'll understand the words that were spoken to the women when they came to the empty tomb. When the angel said, "He is not here, he is risen." Words that give incredible hope. I see those words like a giant eraser, wiping away discouragement and fear, the finality of death. And Jesus wants to come today, and through his resurrection, he wants to speak hope into your life as well. That regardless of the situation that you're dealing with, it is not final, because we have the hope of Easter. Remember today, he is not here, he is risen. And let Christ, by faith, through his Spirit, fill your life with his incredible hope.